There is something radioactive sitting in your kitchen right now. It is not the microwave. It is not your phone. It is the banana in your fruit bowl. Hold a sensitive jar your counter up to a ripe banana, and it will genuinely start to click. So, should you be worried about your fruit? Stick with me, because the real answer is so much stranger than the scare. So why is a banana radioactive? It all comes down to potassium. Bananas are famous for it, and potassium is genuinely good for you. But here is the twist. A tiny slice of all the potassium on Earth is not normal potassium at all. It is a naturally radioactive version called potassium-40. Only about one atom in every 10,000 is this radioactive kind. But it has been there since the Earth formed, quietly ticking away with a half-life of more than 1 billion years. So how radioactive is a single banana? Really? One banana has about half a gram of potassium inside it, and that means that every second, roughly 15 of those potassium-40 atoms deep inside it break apart and release a tiny flash of radiation. 15 little clicks every single second coming from your fruit. It sounds a bit alarming. It really, truly isn't. And to see why, you just have to look in a mirror. Because here is the part nobody tells you. You are radioactive too. Far more than a banana is. Your body is packed with potassium. Around 140 grams of it running your nerves and your heartbeat. And that means you are carrying a constant gentle fizz of radiation inside you at all times. Roughly 4,400 bursts every single second. That is the same as having about 300 bananas glowing away inside you right now per hour. You are the radioactive one. Scientists actually turned this into a joke argument to help people picture radiation. They call it the banana equivalent dose. One banana gives you a dose of about 1/10 of a microsievert, a truly microscopic amount. A single dental X-ray. That is like eating 50 bananas at once. A flight all the way across the country, a few hundred bananas, is a fun way to shrink scary-sounding radiation down into something you can actually imagine. But now, the honest part, because this is where the banana story usually gets it wrong. That dose does not add up. Your body keeps its potassium at an almost perfectly constant level. So you eat a banana, and within a few hours, your kidneys quietly flush the exact same amount of potassium back out, the radioactive part included, which means you cannot stack bananas up to some scary number. Eat one or eat 100, and your radioactivity barely flickers and then settles right back to normal. In fact, radiation physicists warn that the banana dose is genuinely a bit misleading for exactly this reason. It is fine as a one-time comparison, but you never actually keep it. So, could a banana ever actually hurt you with its radiation? Only in a cartoon. To reach a genuinely dangerous dose, you would have to eat something like tens of millions of bananas all in one single sitting, and you physically could not. Because long before the radiation did anything at all, that much potassium would stop your heart. The scary thing about eating 10 million bananas was never, ever the radiation. It is a fun thought experiment, not a real risk. So, relax. Your banana is radioactive. You are radioactive. Your potatoes, your beans, and your own beating heart are all very gently radioactive too. And every single bit of it is completely, boringly safe. Potassium-40 has been humming along inside living things since the very beginning. The banana did not make radiation scary. It just became its friendly little mascot. Radioactive. And totally fun.